Hey guys, Mike with Off-Road Family Adventures, and today I'm going to show you guys the difference in the different mounts for the Seadoo. The newer Seadoos with the link, the pylon, port, and so on. Check these out. All right, guys, thanks for joining me today. There's been a couple of questions that people are getting confused, and I think I'm going to make that a little bit more streamlined here because I'll probably discontinue this one. I personally like this one because it's flush. You can put anything you want. There's not a little nipple sticking up and so on like the other mount that I'll show you. But this is how it started out. This is the original umbrella holder. So it was meant to hold an umbrella or a flag while you're anchored, like at the sandbar and so on. But you can't run with it because there's no way to secure it. So, it's going to take it right out. It just sits in there. So even though it does sit quite a ways in there, it would still come out if you're in their way. So this is only meant to be while you're stationary. Still a good mount, and I like it because it's flush, but I'm probably going to discontinue it and just offer this one. Now this comes in two different versions. This is the one, of course, you're always going to have this nipple up, and no, it's not going to break. That nipple goes down in here quite a ways. It's secured. You've seen my other video uploaded at the end of this video here where I actually snapped off and lost the 360 camera by hitting a bridge, but mount didn't touch it. Very sturdy. So anyway, this one here is designed, you can, same size hole, you can hold your umbrella, you can hold a flag, you can hold two different things here. You can do your selfie stick, like I'll put that video at the end also. You can hold the selfie stick for like a 360 camera or whatever. And also you can do a GoPro. So I've got this in two different versions. One of them just comes like this. Just this, you get this in the mail, put this on your ski, and you're able to hold a flag, umbrella, or like a selfie stick for a 360 camera. Guys, don't run with an umbrella attached, but you can run with a flag and so on. Second version, it comes with this. This is a GoPro attachment. You can put this in here and just clip your GoPro on, just like my front GoPro mount. Same type of mount. So that's your two different versions. And like I said, I'm probably going to discontinue this one because once I came up with this version, this just kind of sits around the shelf now. So it's probably going to be off, and that way it won't be as confusing. You'll have two different options. You'll have what's called the flagpole mount, and you'll have what's called the flagpole with the GoPro mount. That'll come with both pieces. So hope that clears up any confusion. Again, at the end of this video, watch those videos because I will show you how strong this mount really is. And for all those comments on there on the Facebook groups that say that's going to be flimsy, it's not going to work, they have absolutely no idea what they're talking about. So yeah, these are very strong. Guys, check them out. Links are in the description. I know it kind of sucks not being on the water today, but I got all these printers going. I got to catch up with some stock so I can continue my same day or next day shipping. I try and keep that as often as I can. So anyway, guys, we'll talk to you next time.